What happens when years of hard work, long days, and steady progress get interrupted in a split second? One minute you're doing what you've always done, working, planning, building, and the next, an injury throws everything off course. In Bakersfield, where life is built on grit and persistence, that kind of disruption cuts deep. Maybe it's a car accident on Highway 99, a fall at a busy marketplace downtown, or a workplace injury at an industrial site. Suddenly, the hard-earned stability you've been building is under threat, and the road forward looks anything but certain. That's where a personal injury attorney in Bakersfield becomes critical. In a city known for resilience and relentless effort, you need someone who understands that this isn't just about doctor visits or medical bills. It's about protecting a way of life. Insurance companies move fast, not to help, but to save themselves money. They'll offer quick settlements that sound good when stress is high, but they rarely come close to covering the real cost. Future treatments, lost wages, the invisible strain that lingers long after the injury. A skilled personal injury attorney will look at the bigger picture. They'll fight for full compensation, handling the negotiations, the paperwork, and the constant back and forth so you can focus on healing and getting back to what you do best. Because in Bakersfield, people don't quit when life gets hard. They keep moving forward. The right attorney will make sure that one accident doesn't wipe out years of effort and sacrifice. With someone fighting for you, you can protect your future and get back to the work, the life, and the stability you fought to create. An injury might have slowed you down, but it doesn't have to stop you. In Bakersfield, we believe in earning every inch, and with the right personal injury attorney, you'll have someone who believes it too. Please click the link below